Welcome to another video on my walking robot Mirft2 based on the fischertechnik TXT controller running embedded Linux and programmed in online mode in Python. It has two front sensors and a USB camera for OpenCV, powered by a battery. I have to connect to the robot by means of SSH, otherwise I can't online program it. And like last time, I have a problem with connecting. After some 2 minutes or so, I get connection timed out. And I just booted it successfully. So that is a problem, and now I am going to start the Robo Pro, and we'll probably have a big problem connecting there too. And last time I had the same problem, and then it was solved by rebooting the system. So I think I will have exactly the same thing now. And yes, Robo Pro can't connect either. So I have to shut it off. Hopefully it retains the data, but I'm afraid it won't. And yes, it is a freshly charged battery, so that can't be the problem either. But I have to try anyway. And this bar is progressing nicely, but still I have to see what's next. There it is, going to the standard user interface, settings, going down a bit. Date and time, date, it's preserved. Okay, for that I'm happy, very happy. However, I still need to be able to connect. And this is taking too long. So even after a power cycle, it's not going fine. It's not nice. And without it, I can't do anything. I remember last time that I booted into the standard firmware, and there it turned out that everything worked fine. So the Wi-Fi is no problem then, but I still have to wait now for the connection timed out message to know for sure that it doesn't work. Then indeed I'll boot once again into the standard firmware and try again. But this is a vague sign. Something is not going quite as planned, unfortunately. And it takes time before connection times out. So I have to be patient. And patience is in these cases not very easy. Anyway, let me wait until that happens and see whatever goes. Alright, next step. booting into the default firmware. Already an old Android tablet ready. So I have to remove now the SD card that is right here, because the SD card contains the community firmware. Now I'm booting into standard firmware, and then we'll see if I can contact the controller using this tablet. Now it's booted, so let's see how this will happen. I have to settings, and then I have to select TXT 9160. Now it is connected. So how can I prove that it actually works? Well, by means of that TXTcam control app. And let's start the app. And then it is nice if it actually does do something. And I have a problem because the battery goes off, so I need to replace it immediately. And I don't know if this will work out. Oh, and I probably have to reconnect then. So, exit from this app, then connect. Yes, I have to reconnect. Connect. Now it is connected. And then the app. And start. And this means very clearly that the Wi-Fi is working. Not that I can do something, but it works. So Wi-Fi is working, so I can reboot into the other firmware. So let's do that. And see whatever happens next. So now I have had a problem because even two battery packs didn't do the job. Well, they were not interconnected, but it lost power as well. So this one can go for now out, and let me put this one back. Not that it matters. Maybe it even charges, but I rebooted back into the community firmware. It retained all data. Question is, oh wait, and yes, this is the AC adapter, net adapter. so I can work without the battery. The question is now though, okay, that was the spring of a lamp, but I'll let it be. Does it, can I log in? Because that is what it all was about. Yes, now I can. Let me put everything closer to the camera. Then this cord isn't as under as much tension as well, or either, or whatever. And I have to make up something for this because it touches the gears. Alright, that is better. And if this works, so this, oh yeah, right, this works as well. This is there, and now I have to first remove all the old images. Yeah, okay. Remove. This is left. And last time I had the big problem of several, yeah, this one, of several well, erratic values. That didn't make sense. No sense at all. But also colors that didn't match. It is supposed to select red and it detected yellow. So now I'm very curious what will happen. By the way, a nice thing is that I can now check the voltage of this battery and it says 8,7, so that doesn't make any sense. Why does it power off when it is 8.7? Okay, apart from that, let's roll. If it does. Oh, that was nice. The question is though, how much? Yeah, right. But how much was it anyway? Distance set. I have to check for this one. 8,000. I didn't count, but it goes from, I don't like this by the way. Did I restart? No, I did not restart. So this is the first one, and then it says 692, 697 here, but okay, so what? And then it says 13, so it counts up. And guess what? So I'm not quite sure what to think of it. It's weird. So let's count again. So here we go. If it is right. A 6.5. 8,000. 6.5. Right, we do that another 3 times. Hopefully. That's 3, not even 3.5, that's 3.25 or 3/3. Let's keep it 3/3. Another one. Six and a third. 6 and a third. So I need to do another one, because now I have 2 short ones and 2 long ones. So now I'm getting curious. What will the next one be? Six and a half. Oops. 6.5. Not sure what to think of it. Okay, other stuff. Displaying images. Latest image is at 11:06. Assuming that it is a correct image. Yes, that is a correct image. And that one, and then the next one is the result image, HSV. I should call it HSV. You're kidding me. It selects yellow. Why does it select yellow? What's wrong? Let's take a look at the algorithm, because this is, I need to check here. Yeah, this is lower red and upper red. Yet why does it select yellow? Another thing is, why does it here select yellow and here it doesn't? That's also not quite what you expect. Does it do that, by the way, consistently? Okay, let's check on. Okay, they're all good images. So let me test 10, 51, 40 being the very first. And then, oh wait, that's the resolution, and this is then original image. So what can we detect from here? It looks reddish, but this is, well, this is certainly, if you look here, this is certainly a yellowish thing, but it looks like a red, while here it is more clear. But let's see, this is also visible, and this is reddish. This is reddish. I would say inconsistent. Alright, let's take 58. Then 58, 36, no, wrong command, wrong style of command. It should be this one, the ampersand. Alright, and then the resulting image, I should change that, by the way. Result in HSV is much more clear in naming. So what's the difference? Well, the difference is that it was further away from the light. No, it was closer to the light. Now it's further away from the light. Does that make sense? This is yellowish, this is reddish, but then this is certainly yellow. I think it's strange altogether. Yeah, the algorithm is the same as with the other, and that one does red for sure. Alright. What to do? How to go on? Good question. Not quite sure. Changing the distance to what? Infinite would be a nice one. Infinite until it reaches the end. Yeah, 0 it will be. And then see whatever happens. Enter 0 distance. One, 2, 3, 4. 3.5. Again, 3.5. Now, yeah, 3.5? Well, let's take it 3.3, whatever. Next. That's not even 1. That's maybe 0.6. One, 2, 3, 4. 4 and a little bit. 4, 3. Let's be optimistic. But it doesn't make sense. Okay, let's do one more. One, 2, 3, 4. 4.3. Well, your conclusion is that infinite is not infinite at all. So, what to say about it? This is 6.3, by the way, so that is strange. 6, 6, this comes down to 1. Oh, this is with 8,000. Is it? How many did I? Yeah, I did 3. So, no, not here. So let's count down. 1, 2, 3, and now I'm going back to long distance, and that shows. So it doesn't make any sense. How to go on? I'm afraid I'm running out of time now, but I have to ask the writer of the FT-RabblePi library if this is really is how it works, because I can't make any sense of it. Apart from that, the images are not making me say hooray. If I want to locate something red and I have very red objects, well, it better show red. So how to go on depends on that. And with that, I'm at the end of this episode with connection oops, power oops, and a Wi-Fi restoration, but I hope that at the next time it won't happen. But I'm afraid it will be repeating stuff. Then with the counters, yeah, well, the same problem. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Give the video a thumbs up, like it, and leave a comment if you like. You can also follow me on Twitter. Please retweet, like it, leave a comment. You can also follow me on Instagram. Please like it, leave a comment. You can show your support by making a small donation. And you can also choose to become a patron and have your name mentioned. For now, thank you for watching and bye bye.